Grégoire Poux-Guillaume, you're the CEO of Sulzer. Now you've presented your full year result. The order intake in gas and oil has gone down a bit. And what's the reason for that? And is that a concern for you?
Yes, the oil and gas market is still very difficult. Our order intake in oil and gas is down 11% in 16. It is a concern because it creates some challenges for us, but we also see light at the end of the tunnel. We believe that the market will rebalance in 17 and start rebounding in 18.
Now the oil price has gone up in 1 year's time. Is that an asset for you?
It helps, but our customers are still not ordering because they're waiting for a level of stability before they do that. So once again, we think that supply and demand will rebalance sometime in the second half of 17, and that we'll start seeing orders in the beginning of 18.
You're also rebalancing your whole portfolio of businesses. So what's your outlook for the other businesses of Sulzer for the rest of this year?
All other businesses did well in Sulzer in 16, and we think they'll continue to do well in 17. Power was healthy despite challenging prices. General industry was good. Water was also very good. So the rest of Sulzer, which is 65% of Sulzer, is fine. It's the 45%, which is oil and gas, that's still struggling.
So the rebalancing is still on track, so you want to reduce on oil and gas?
Well, I mean, oil and gas is reducing naturally as the market continues to be difficult and as we make acquisitions in other areas. But we like oil and gas. It's just a question of having a little bit of support from the market, and that will come.
Now you're in the middle of a restructuring process. How is that going on?
It's going well in terms of progress. We had a target of 60 to 80 million of savings in 16, and we delivered 88 million. So we're ahead of schedule and ahead of our target. It's a lot of painful measures, so they involve people. So we don't celebrate those, but we certainly need them because we need to maintain competitiveness.
Just Switzerland or Winterthur is still your traditional base, but will headcount go down in Switzerland?
Well, last year we announced the closure of our factory in Oberwinterthur, so headcount is going a little bit down in Switzerland, yes. But Winterthur remains our base, remains our headquarters. We're really happy to be there, and that's not going to change.
Now, last year you had a special dividend for your shareholders. This year it's just the ordinary dividend. So what's in for the shareholders?
Well, the dividend payout at 3.50 is a very healthy payout, so we think that will be well received. The special dividend last year was due to the fact that we had some excess cash on the balance sheet. That's not the case this year. We're deploying capital by making acquisitions, about 350 million Swiss francs worth of acquisitions in 16, and we hope to continue in 17.